Hi everyone, I'm Rochelle Rao and I'm here at Cutis because I have a few concerns and I'm looking forward to getting them answered. Actually today what I wanted to find out about is something that I've struggled with for most of my life, which is my eyebrows. Right now I've penciled them, which is what I do every day. The regular Indian girl wakes up and puts on kajal. I wake up and put on my eyebrows because I was born with very, very thin and light eyebrows. So doctor's here with me today and she's going to tell me what I can do for my eyebrows.
So there is a technology called microblading. If you have heard, Rochelle?
I have heard of it.
Right. So that's a very in thing now, though it's been something which we've been using for a long time. The difference is it's something like a tattoo. The ink deposition in microblading is at a very superficial level.
Okay.
As compared to tattoo, which we put deeper pigment. And of course, in your case, seeing the color of your eyes and the hair, so we'll be using like brown-black pigment. Now, before going in for microblading, I need to tell you a few things. One is, it is like semi-permanent.
Okay. I was just going to ask you, is it going to look like I've tattooed my eyebrows?
No, it will not. It will actually look like hair strokes.
Okay.
And that's how microblading is different from tattooing, but also it's more technical. It's very artistic thing also. We'll be, of course, drawing your brows, first tinting them, giving you a shape of your choice, and then only we'll be going ahead with the procedure.
Okay.
So it won't come as a surprise to you.
Okay, great.
And we will be numbing the brows by putting a cream prior, so you will not even feel the pain.
Okay.
I'm not going to lie that it is completely painless, but once we put the topical anesthesia cream, then you don't feel it.
Well, I've got a tattoo before on my ankle, so I'm hoping that it's not going to be too different from that.
So if somebody's done a tattoo, then it's the benchmark that you will take microblading easily.
Okay, cool.
And another thing is, Rochelle, very important, that when we place the pigment, some pigment your skin will throw out in next 2 weeks.
Okay.
So whatever you see now, immediately after the treatment, it will become a bit lighter. So we'll call you once again after 2 weeks or 3 weeks to touch it up.
Okay.
So immediately it does look dark, yes. But so if you have a dinner today or you're meeting someone, then you probably want to not do it today. But yes, it does look like in your case, because I've seen your brows and they're really faint, it will actually highlight your face. It will make it really look prominent. So the focus would kind of move from this area to right to the brow. You can decide your shape, the length of the brows, anything. It's just going to be little strokes which will give an illusion of hair. What happens is if you straight away put the pigment, which we a lot of times do with the pencil, it looks like just a block of color.
And nowadays we do so much of natural shoots, because we're all on Instagram all of the time.
Yes.
And so much of the time, it's just these eyebrows of mine which are there because, I just quickly do it because I need that definition for my face, and then after a while it starts to look a little fake also. So,
And it's a hassle. Also, it's a hassle to give symmetry every time. This is thinner this side, thicker this side. So we'll take all that to rest. So that what we are going to do is microblading procedure. Anesthesia included, it would take around 45 minutes.
Okay.
Just to kind of put down your nerves to calm down. We'll put anesthesia cream so you're not scared about the pain. And we will go slowly. So first time you just let us know what is your desired shape, where you want to start it. We'll make it totally symmetrical. It's more of a mathematics with art actually put together.
Okay.
With a blend of science in it.
It sounds like fun. I think my only question is that there is room to edit it later if there's anything
so
that...
if you want to remove it, it can be removed with the laser. The laser which is used for removing tattoos, the same laser, we can always get it off also. If you want to kind of enhance it further, that also can be done. Only thing is we will need 2 weeks time for the pigment to settle in the skin and then do a touch-up. Yes, it can be. On an average, you will require a touch-up once in 1.5 to 2 years.
Okay, so after that, so it's not like a tattoo, it won't last forever basically.
No, it won't last forever, but it will fade out in 1.5 to 2 years. Also, if you're sun exposed more outside, then the pigment tends to fade out
quickly.
faster. Yeah, but it is not something that you will need at least for a year.
Is there any kind of maintenance or something that I have to do for it?
Immediately when you have done, don't go to the beach.
Yeah.
That's all.
That's all. Okay, cool. All right, I'm excited. Guys, I'm going to get eyebrows today. I'm so happy about that. So let's do it. as you guys can see now that the makeup is off, I have very thin eyebrows, and the fact that my eyebrows are brown color instead of the regular black which most Indians have make them look even thinner than they are. And I have this little scar from my tomboy days as a kid, and that adds to the whole issue that's happening here with my eyebrows. So today I'm gonna get new eyebrows. I'm so excited. Yeah. I have just got my microblading done and I absolutely love it. I actually have eyebrows now. It's so cool. I can actually see like strokes of hair on my eyebrows, which I've never had before. Don't get scared. I know it looks really red right now, but that's just because we did it right this instant. I am very excited with the shape and everything, and I can't wait to see how it's gonna look once it heals. Thank you, cutest.